them a lot of confidence to compete well in future.
Mohammad Nabi did it a couple of days ago with Najibullah Zadran for Afghanistan, winning that first ever T20I for Afghanistan versus Pakistan. Can he now make it 2 out of 2? Can right mid strike twice at the same place?
Zaman Khan. He's so used to bowling those last overs, and with some success.
Salman Khan, of course, bowled the final over in the PSL, just concluded, has that ability to change of pace, can be very deceptive, difficult for the batsman to pick.
Now the Pakistani fans are hoping. They are hoping against the hope to win this one.
Shot. And Nabi was waiting for it. He can only get a single here. So now 4 required of 4.
And 3 runs for a super over.
You're not one who believes that there should be some respite for the faint-hearted, Ahmed.
Well, that can be a scenario. Go about the job, look for a boundary, or look for singles to get over the line.
If scores are level, then we will head into a super over. But for now, I think the Afghanistan fans will be saying, get 4, you've got 4 deliveries, you're just 1 hit away from a series victory against Pakistan. You can create history here. Can Najibullah Zadran get it done here and now? Okay, change of pace, but they've run a by. Clever thinking by Mohammad Nabi. He was the one running towards the danger end. And appreciation from Najibullah for that.
This is intelligent cricket. Seems like there should have been a dot delivery.
It's clever from Nabi, realizing that there was an opportunity to steal a by, get that single, more importantly, get back on strike and try and finish it off here now. Doesn't get all of it, but he will get a single. In fact, Zadran wanted the second, Najibullah. Just a single, just about holding your nerve here.
2 of 2. Delivery is the must for Pakistan here.
Well, you got a dot delivery by taking a wicket. I think that's the bonus. That's what Pakistan will be hoping for.
Don't ask for the more. In this situation, a dot delivery would suffice. And then,
They say aim for the moon, you might get to the stars. Here, this is just about pressure. And who holds his nerve in this situation? 2 runs required of 2 deliveries. It's Najibullah Zadran who's on strike. Remember, Najibullah and Mohammad Nabi took Afghanistan home for a win a couple of days ago. Oh, it's going to drop short. And what's wrong? It's going for 4. Afghanistan win the match. And also take another 7 lead in the series. For the first time in a T20 international series, Afghanistan have beaten Pakistan and clinched the series.
what a moment. What a moment for Afghanistan's cricket. Look at the joy in the Sharjah Stadium. And despair as far as the Pakistani fans are concerned. They just can't believe what happened there.
Yes, you've got 2 contrasting pictures being painted across the stands here at the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. There's despondency among this group who can't believe what's happened. And then there's joy on the other side. Pakistan cricketers as well, just soaking in the moment. They've just seen the senior team pull off something that's never been done before. Afghanistan just proving that lightning can strike twice at the same place. They beat Pakistan a couple of days ago, right here at the stadium. They've beaten Pakistan again, this time by 7 wickets. To take the series 2-0 with 1 match still to go.
It was a disappointing effort from the Pakistani batters in the previous outing. But this time around, better pitch was provided for this game. But once again, the Pakistani batters failed. Not able to put a decent total on the board for the bowlers to win the game for them. Handshakes all around. He must be a proud captain, Rashid Khan. Winning the series against Pakistan for the first time.
Yes, this is the first time that Afghanistan have won a T20I series against a team ranked in the top 6. So, huge achievement for this unit. Ably led by Rashid Khan. Very, very proactive captain. Rung in the bowling changes. Don't forget the effort of